Hey guys, Skyforce95 here, reviewing a pair of polarized sports sunglasses by Ewin. This is specifically a cycling glasses. It can also be used by triathletes, but I've been using it for sole purposes of biking since I am a biker. So I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys my full review. It came with a lot of accessories, by the way, so I'm not going to be able to cover everything for the sake of time in this video, but I did do an unboxing video, so you can make sure to check out that video. Link will be in the description and also at the end of this video if you want to see everything that came in the box. In total, you get 5 interchangeable lenses, but only one of them is polarized, and that's the one right here. Your other choices of lenses include this rainbow tinted one, so that one's non-polarized, but it is a little bit dark. So if you didn't need the polarization, you just want that rainbow look, you got that one. And there's also a clear one. If you just didn't want any kind of tinting, you want a clear look, but you want to have some kind of a face shield, then there you can use this clear lens here. And then you also have a blue tinted one for cycling, running, and warmer conditions, I suppose. And then of course for the opposite condition, if you're in a cooler toned area, you can wear this yellow lens. Despite these lenses feeling a little bit on the cheap side, they're actually very scratch resistant and also anti-fog. I've never had a problem with my body heat steaming up these glasses and interfering with my vision because it just dissipates the moisture so well. Swapping out the lenses is also quite straightforward. You first have to dislodge the lens from the left and right sides like so. You just pop it out, and then finally you remove the whole lens from the center. You just slowly push it outwards and it comes right out. And then to put in a new set of lenses, it's the opposite order. So you just go ahead and clip it in from the middle first, and then you slip in the sides, and then there you have it. But normally I just keep the polarized lens in because that's the most versatile. So let's just go ahead and look at my current setup when I'm biking with these sunglasses. So what's particularly special about polarized lenses as opposed to just simply tinted lenses is that it actually blocks out certain incident rays. So it doesn't just make everything look a little bit darker, but it actually blocks out a certain amount of sunlight that can reach your eyes, thus protecting your eye to a greater degree. This also means that in very bright situations, you can still see your surroundings very clearly and not have a dark tint to it. So with this in, I also have a lanyard in, and this might look really stupid at first, but because I bike, you have no idea how handy this is. So when I'm not wearing it, I can just hang it over on my neck, and since I am a commuter for college, I always running between classes, so once I get to class, park my bike, I can pull this thing off and don't have to worry about losing it because it's just right around my neck. Now talking about the design of the frames, they are an all plastic build with this rubber bit over the ears for extra grip. The nose piece is also made of the same rubbery material. It is non-removable and non-adjustable, but I found that it's pretty flexible, so it should be able to fit all types of noses and also types of head sizes. Though I think they run a little bit on the large side, I do have a narrower head and I found that it didn't quite hug my head as other sunglasses, but I think this is still okay because I never had a problem with falling off or anything like that. So this is definitely geared a little bit more for larger heads, but I think it still fits perfectly fine with smaller ones. In terms of aesthetics, of course that's very subjective, but personally I really like the silver accents. I think it's a good look. So ultimately, I can definitely recommend these sports sunglasses. I've loved them. I've been biking with them for over a year. Been great. And for the price, in sub $20, you get a whole lot of extras. You get all these different lenses. You get 2 different cases. You get that lanyard. You get so many stuff for this price. And it's built decently well, even though it feels a little cheap, but it's definitely forgiving for how much more it gives you. So if you're in the market for a pair of sports sunglasses, don't look any further. I'll have the product link in the description for you guys to check it out. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.